This tutorial guides you through how scammers buy stolen credit cards from the dark web, carding methods exposed. You will learn how scammers purchase stolen cards and use them to buy cryptocurrency securely. Visit cardidle.com. Click Browse Cards to create an account if you don't have one. Fill in your account details. It must not be your real name or email. Once you are done filling the details, click Create Account to finalize your registration and create your Cardidle account. Click Cards to see the different cards they got. We will be buying a $5,000 balance card which will cost $200. So to deposit the amount we will use, click Wallet. Select your preferred cryptocurrency from the available options to get the deposit wallet address. Once you have selected the cryptocurrency, click Show Wallet Address to display your wallet's public address for transactions. You will get a QR code and a wallet address. Once you have deposited the amount you need, refresh the page and you will get the deposit in less than 2 minutes. Click Cards to go back to your virtual cards overview. Select the card you want and click Fire Buy Now. Click Purchase Now to proceed with buying the selected virtual card. Once you have purchased the card, switch to the second website eCryptoOutsiders.com to complete the cryptocurrency conversion process. Click Get Started to create an account on Crypto Outsiders. Once you have created your account, fill in the login details and click Sign In to proceed. Once you are on your dashboard, click Buy to buy crypto with the card you buy. Since we purchased a $5,000 card, let's go for $4,500. Click Continue to Payment to proceed with the payment process for your crypto purchase. Switch back to cardidle.com and get your card details for the purchase. Switch to cryptooutsiders.com to continue payment processing. Once filled, click Complete Purchase to finalize your cryptocurrency transaction. As you can see, the purchase was successful. Click View Balance to check your updated cryptocurrency wallet after purchase. Click Withdraw to withdraw the purchased crypto. Select USDT for the withdrawal. Enter your wallet address to receive the withdrawn cryptocurrency securely. Fill in the amount $4,477.5000 to specify your withdrawal quantity. Since you don't have enough Ethereum for the transaction fee, click Deposit to add Ethereum to your wallet. Click ETH to choose Ethereum for deposit. Click Generate Deposit Address to create a new address for receiving Ethereum. Once the wallet has been generated, transfer the required Ethereum fee to the address and click Dashboard to go back to your main account overview. Since you now have the required Ethereum fee, click Withdraw to withdraw your USDT. Click USDT to choose Tether for your transaction. Enter your wallet address to ensure correct withdrawal destination. Click Continue to proceed with your cryptocurrency withdrawal. Click Confirm and Send to finalize and send your withdrawal request. Click View Transactions to review your recent cryptocurrency transactions. Click Details to see specific information about a selected transaction. You've seen how scammers use Cardidle and Crypto Outsiders for swift carding. Next, explore advanced card features or additional payment options to enhance your experience.